Hey, what's up everybody? This is your girl Miss P and
Mama P.
And we are here to do another review unboxing. Well, this is really going to be an unbagging / taste test. Make sure to go ahead and thumbs up this video. We'd really appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And yes, we made it for January's review. Thought we weren't going to have a review.
Oh, yeah.
We're here with another one. Down below in the comment section, let us know what you would like for us to review in February. We're taking requests. And you know what? We have a bag. And this bag is full of wrap snacks. You have seen the title correctly. I really believe that wrap snacks need to be everywhere because we tried one of these the other night because we were having some sandwiches. And we thought that this would be perfect. So
chicken sandwich?
Yes, honey. And we used this one right here with little cute little Romeo on the front. He's so cute. Barbecuing with my honey. Now, okay, I'm going to say they're wrap snacks, but these little taglines are very corny.
I like that. And they taste really good.
Honey, if you like barbecue chips with a hint of honey, these are for you. These are going to be perfect with a little sandwich situation.
How much will they hear on there? I'm just crunching.
We're going to sound like that lady who chews her food up on her microphone. This one was good.
Very good.
Next one.
Nice.
Who is it?
Little Boosie's Louisiana Heat wavy potato chip.
Now, do you know who Lil Boosie is? Boosie. Lil Boosie.
Huh?
You remember this song? White man. Whoa!
Little Boosie's Louisiana Heat.
Woo.
It's hot. Go get us some water, hurry.
Hot fries that I like, that I used to eat all the time. They were Captain's hot fries. Any type of hot fry. That's what that tastes like.
But hotter.
Ooh! He went lying with that Louisiana Heat. Ooh. And it doesn't help that they were the wavy potato chips, so all that heat is just in the little waves. Because at first you're like, oh, this is good. And then you like, no, God. All right.
Okay, this one is Wrap Snacks Wavy Fabulous New York Deli Cheddar.
Fabulous.
What's his name? Fabulous.
Fabulous.
What do you mean? Fabulous or fabulous?
Either way. I like either way.
Okay, Deli Cheddar. He's a little more low key, I guess.
It's not.
That's very good. Deli Cheddar. Fabulous. Oh, you want to do it like that?
That's fabulous. That's fabulous.
That was delicious.
This is fabulous.
One that finished the one that's eaten. Look.
Show the people what you're looking at. She's looking at, who is that, Mom?
Honey jalapeno Fetty Wap.
Fetty Wap.
Fetty Wap.
As Patti LaBelle would say, the little boy with the one eye.
Wasn't there a little thing on there about him in the news? About him and a young lady. Now, why would she want that? Oh, I'm not even trying these. This will open his other eye up. Smell it.
Not too
It
bad.
smells very hot.
Not bad. It's fine a little. Not bad.
Still hot though.
It's hot. It's not bad for a break. My love. Shout out to Nippy.
Fetty Wap. What is his name again?
I want to get the lipstick on you. Fetty Wap. Last but not least, who is this, Mama?
Sour cream with a dab of ranch. Migos.
I love how you pronounce it. Migos. Thing is sport.
They're very good. He's not stupid, so he's gonna keep his Uzi. I had to put them in order.
Let's put them in order.
I would do Romeo Miller, barbecuing with my honey first.
I agree. This one's really good.
Next, I do the sour cream.
Really?
With the dab of ranch. Yes.
Damn out of my. Damn. Did you put it all the way up?
Oh, not all the way up. I didn't know you had to go all the way up. That's
Who is that?
That is Remy Ma.
Yes.
All right, girl.
Fabulous.
Fabulous would be my third one.
With this deli cheddar, I liked it.
My fourth, I guess, would be the jalapeno.
I agree. Betty White, we're gonna give that to. I'm sorry, little Boosie.
If you love hot, have at it. But it is very hot.
It's very hot.
It's so hot. If you don't have a drink, you're in one mess.
It's, oh my God. And I love me some little Boosie, but I cannot with these Louisiana heats. It's too much. Shout out to the plug for these. You guys know I could not find these in my area. Thank you kindly. Appreciate you. I think this is a wrap. You get it?
You are so silly.
And I thought of that on the spot.
Wow.
Let's get into these shout outs. Make sure to comment down below. You just might get a shout out in the next video from myself and Mama P. So, oh Lord, you don't have your reader, so I'll read it for
better read
bless you, bless you. Shout out to Carlotta McLee. She said, hey Miss P, love your videos. Keep up the good work. And also, can you please give me a shout out in your next video? Here you go, Pumpkin. Thank you for all the love. Appreciate it. Shout out to David People. Says, I'm still laughing from you two. You and the family have an incredible holiday. Thank you. Shout out to Aretha Washington. She says, love the unboxing videos with your mom. So cute.
Oh, thank you.
Mahogany's World says, I would like to see cooking videos with you two and my father.
It's on the way.
It's coming.
I've done a cooking video in a minute.
I know. It's been a minute. King Ramsey says, I live for these reviews. They are comical yet informal. Hey, Miss P and Mama P.
Hey.
Two Mommies and a Blessing says, Mama P, she's amazing. Great video. Beautiful.
Aww. You're amazing too.
Val Rice says, you and Mama P have so much fun. Keep doing what you're doing. We gonna try. Courtney C says, I love these unboxing videos and I just love the bloopers at the end even more. Hilarious. You should add them at the end of every vid. You know, that's a good idea. Rican Queen, so adorbs. I love watching y'all together. Awesome energy, and I can see you guys have an awesome relationship. It warms my heart. Let's see. Pink Star says, I'm cracking up. Y'all are so brave for trying new things. Love Mama P. Hilarious.
I love you too.
Ooh, Mama P said, you remember it said it tasted like a makeup pad. That was hilarious on the last video.
I said that?
You did. Whoa, Rock Candy 30 says, Miss P, I have been watching your videos since I was in 11th grade. I'm about to turn 23. I love your videos. Wow.
Where's she from?
I feel like an auntie and brother auntie.
Where's she from?
Even though we're 4 years apart, I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Not sure. In your comment, make sure to tell us where you're from. We would love to know that. Lisa Stallion said, I absolutely love this video. My mom transitioned 4 years ago, and this really warmed my heart. So sorry to hear that, but I am so glad that you enjoy these videos and it makes you laugh. So, and that's why we do these videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. If you have any suggestions for the next video, make sure to comment down below. Thank you guys so much for sending your emails about, hey Miss P, I have this, I want to send it to you and Mama P for a review. Keep sending it. We're filtering through, and you never know, we just might pick your product. But thank you guys so much for watching. We really do appreciate it, and we will see you for February's review. Peace, love, and all that good stuff. God bless. Bye.
I need some type of Coca-Cola.
All right.
Okay, he went in the ashtray.
I'm gonna do some shout outs from the last video.
Okay.
And
Who?
well, for the viewers,
Leaving.
don't leave me. Please
stay with me tonight.
hey. for all of your suggestions. Suggestions.
Thank you for your suggestions.
Play his best up.
Thank you for the digestion. What that mean? The digestion? No. Come on.
Suggestions.
You are so sick. I love you though.
I love you too.